In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable the password autofill service on your Samsung Galaxy S26. So these steps also works for all the other S26 phones within the series. So all you have to do is open the settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and select security and privacy. Tap on that, and then scroll down and then select more security settings. Select that, and then scroll down and find passwords, passkeys, and autofill. Tap on that, and then from here you should see a couple of options. So all you have to do to enable or disable it, all you have to do is tap on this settings wheel icon, tap on it, and if you'd like to enable it, you can simply choose from a variety of options. So there's Firefox, Microsoft Authenticator, Google, Audio, or Edge. So choose the one that you prefer. And let's say, for instance, I want Google, I can select that, and then there's a pop-up that will appear. Make sure you trust this application. Tap on OK. And if you'd like to disable it, simply select on none, and that should disable the password autofill service. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.